This is the SAMODRA bidet. The installation for this is about the same as any other basic bidet. First, you turn off the water, then you empty the water tank. Unscrew and remove the toilet seat. Then go ahead and place the bidet and put the toilet seat on top of that. Insert the screws and tighten them. For this, you may need to reach around and hold the nut with your fingers or use channel lock pliers. Screw on the hose to the T-valve. I would like to make a quick note about the Teflon tape. I do see Teflon tape included with most bidets, and the reality is if the connector has a rubber gasket, Teflon tape is not needed and usually it's discouraged. Install the T-valve on the toilet. Make sure it is not crooked or you will not have a good time. Tighten everything and ensure that there are no leaks, and you're done. So this particular model has a knob for pressure as well as buttons for which angle the water will come out. I do like that you can choose the pressure and keep it on that setting. It is also nice that it does not force a high pressure. I will post a link below for this bidet, and thanks to SAMODRA for sending me this unit to make this quick installation video.